Hi everyone. A great woman helps unclog a drain. She really did an excellent job. It feels good to help. Sometimes big problems in life just need gentle rocking at the right spot. Really nice to see all the way. So satisfying to watch it all actually flow away.
Yeah.
Crabmen try to eliminate the leaves and cans to let the water flow. Biggest question is that a can of bad ice? Didn't know that still existed. Thank you, man, for your great job. Really, thank you. This man eliminate the garbage so that the water can pass. It's not recommended to work without putting the wear gloves. We can't tell you, careful next time.
Họ đồng liêng hả? Họ đồng liêng hả? Thiệt hỏi ra ấy, chơi liêng hả?
Good to see a Texas Ranger doing his part. That looks dangerous. Good job, but you have to be careful. Man then does a great job of opening a street drain at the side of the road. With small gestures, we can eliminate a lot of evil. Really, these workers has done a good job to remove the grid so that the water can pass. But you did all that and didn't even clean the little bit of trash out before you put the grass on. Good work, but in your case, the rack is not effective. Try using a cold shovel and taking it out of the street and throwing it out of the way. Great job! Opening a street drain in the middle of the road to help with traffic. Good job, sir.
You guys want to go swimming? It's almost gone.
Oh, you flood prevention?
Flood prevention? I'm flood fixer.
Unclogging a drain in a cemetery during a storm by Post 10.